Hey guys, it's me. I know I was supposed to upload on Monday. Actually, I'm gonna excuse myself for a minute to go grab my medication to tell you the name. Be right back. The convenience of having the bathroom right next to it. So I had my doctor's appointment Monday, and then I went bowling because I didn't have to have a tube in my nose. And then, yesterday I had to do schoolwork. But, basically what happened was they didn't stick the tube up my nose this time, which was nice because that really hurt. But we gotta talk about acid reflux disease, and I'm being treated for it currently, and I've been put on a diet and on medication. Oh, God. I don't think I can even say this. Okay, so the medicine I'm taking right now is omeprazole. Don't think that's how you even say it. They're little purple and gray pills. And, I have to take one an hour-ish before I eat, so it's kind of crappy. Not before I eat supper. Let me just justify that, or rechange the statement. I look kind of weird right now because I'm wearing a baggy sweatshirt because I have soccer. I have to coach soccer practice, so just throwing a sweatshirt because it's cold outside. Also my hair's all ish. But yeah, so I can't eat chocolate, can't have caffeine, can't eat fatty or greasy foods, and I can't have peppermint. Drink soda or drink alcohol. Alcohol is not a problem. It's everything else in that list. That's the problem. So school lunches are a little bit more than difficult to figure out. I just started today because I rage quit yesterday at lunch because I was really hungry. And the healthier school lunches that we now have consisted of chicken fingers, badly cooked, canned green beans, so they're covered in salt, like more salt than you should probably be taking, and then rice drenched in butter. And probably not even real butter at that, fake butter. And that was lunch, that was healthy lunch. And so now I'm gonna eat macaroni and cheese because it's not really greasy. It's kind of fatty, but not like super fatty, so I think it's okay. And if it's not okay, I'll just cry. Because what's my life without macaroni and cheese? Yeah, so I've only been taking this for 2 days. I started last night. And I just took mine at 4:30-ish. So far all I've really gotten is... Sorry, I just got distracted. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the only symptom I've had so far is nausea and a little bit of lightheadedness, but that's pretty typical for me when I start new medications. I'm waiting to get one of the really gross side effects. It does not have. Oh, I'll read you the description of medicine. This medicine is dispensed as a gray/lavender oblong-shaped capsule with, by the way, does not have a space between it. Capsule with omeprazole, 20 milligrams, imprinted on one side, and R158 imprinted on the other side. Can't tell you what that means, but I can read it to you. And so I'm on this for 6 to 8 weeks, and if it doesn't do anything, to go see the doctor and then be taken off of it in October 17th-ish. 7th maybe. 27th possibly. Sometime in October I'm going back to see the neurologist and we're talking about this medication and seeing if I put on another medication. And if this does work, I'm on it for 6 months, and I go back to see, what's his name? Dr. something. The, ear, nose, throat doctor. And so this is a really short video because nothing's really happened. Except I got really, really sick 2 days last week. Which, did you guys? No. I don't think you heard. But I can't remember if I talked about this in my last video. But I was really sick on Thursday and Friday and literally did not leave bed pretty much all day except for to eat or when I really had to go to the bathroom. Friday was worse because I had chest pain Friday. Thursday, I just couldn't move. And then I had Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday I had Saturday to make up chemistry work. And then yesterday we did review on chemistry, and today we had a test. Which I didn't like fail, but I didn't get an A. I can tell you that much. Because I lost 10 points because I didn't know the chart because I forgot to look at it in the book last night. When I was doing my English homework instead of making this video because English homework is pretty important at this point. I have like a bald spot over here. I think it's because all the hair's moved away in different directions because this stuff's down and this is up. Anyways, now that I've talked about my bald spot, normally I have one over here. I'm still doing it on my side. Well, I don't know, it's a part of my hair, I guess. And now I've messed up my hair. That's basically, I think, all I really have to say about my hiccups so far. I have my first field show on Friday. And all I'm hoping for is that I don't have an attack during the show. It's literally the only thing I'm hoping for. This video is probably boring for all of you, but I think it will upload before I have to leave. Probably not, but I'll try. Bye guys, see you next week if I do this on time.